This is Shelley Kraft. We're coming to you live on SNNLive. We're at the LD Micro Invitational 2018 here in Bel Air. I have with me Howard Kurd, Uniroyal Global. It's a publicly traded company, and this symbol is UNIR. Howard, welcome to SNNLive.
Thank you, Shelley. Thanks for having me.
It's good to have you. Let's get started with a brief overview of the company, and we'll go from there.
Sure. Uniroyal Global Engineered Products manufactures PVC-coated fabrics, which is a substitute for leather or cloth.
Howard, let's get some history on the company.
Sure. As our name implies, Uniroyal Engineered Products was developed by Uniroyal Tire and Rubber Company back in the 1930s and 1940s. The product was developed as a substitute for rubber as well as leather.
So, what industries?
Well, initially it was in furniture and decorative markets, directly competitive with leather. Over the years, it's developed and become much more highly engineered and much more technically advanced. It's used in the automotive industry, it's used in the industrial industry, heavy trucks, hospitality, and healthcare.
What's the market size?
Market size for PVC-coated fabrics is quite large, almost 15 billion. Our company competes on the very high end of the market, which is the highly engineered products, as I said earlier, in those industries. We think our market size is about 3 to 4 billion.
What's unique about the company?
I think what's unique about it is we're an old line manufacturing company in a highly technical, advanced market.
What's your competitive advantage?
It's exactly our technology, our history. We have thousands and thousands of formulas that can perform various different tasks in the marketplace. And basically, if our customer have a problem and they need it solved, they come to us. We don't compete in the commodity side of the market.
How does it compare price-wise to leather, let's say?
It's actually much cheaper than leather. We're probably $7 or $8 a yard, where leather's close to 30. It also outperforms leather in terms of performance, cleanability, and durability.
So what size IP library do you have?
It's actually substantial, as you can imagine. Dating back to the 1940s, the company was innovative in this product line, and over the years has developed numerous products to solve numerous problems, all of which has unique formulations and unique specifications.
So are they still in the tire business, or is it all gone to Naugahyde?
No, over the years, Uniroyal Tire and Rubber was broken up, and actually the tire business is owned by Goodrich now.
So Howard, what's your background?
Actually, I come out of the financial markets on the leveraged buyout side of the business, and we acquired this company back in 2003 as part of a management-led buyout.
So now, of what you can tell me as a public company, what are some growth drivers?
Actually, growth drivers for us is to continue to expand in our OEMs in the automotive sector, expand our industrial business into Europe. We recently made an acquisition in Europe back in 2013. And last but not least is the China market. We just announced our opening of our Chinese office, and we hope to get a full global footprint over our current marketplace.
Let's get your website out for more information, if you would.
Sure, it'll be at uniroyalglobal.com.
Ladies and gentlemen, Howard Kurd, Uniroyal Global. It's a publicly traded company, and the symbol is UNIR. I'm Shelley Kraft. This is SNNLive, and we're coming to you live from the LD Micro Invitational 2018 here in Bel Air. Howard, thanks for coming on.
Thank you very much, Shelley. Appreciate it.
My pleasure.